A big story we're following. Donald Trump being removed off 2 primary ballots in 2 states, many asking whether he should be able to run for the general election.
Well, that's right. And that's the very matter that will be taken up by the Supreme Court today. ABC's Ika Jachi brings us the latest.
This morning, history unfolding at the Supreme Court. Justices will hear oral arguments over whether former President Trump can be kicked off the ballot in Colorado.
For Trump, most obviously, is the question of whether or not he could be removed from the ballot, not just in Colorado, but in other states.
Colorado took Trump off the ballot in December, claiming he engaged in insurrection against the United States on January 6th, violating Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, a civil wartime amendment meant to keep insurrectionists out of government. The exact wording of the amendment will be under scrutiny today, because it does not specifically mention the president, only officers of the government. Despite not being convicted for his alleged role in the January 6th riot, Colorado is expected to argue that since Trump participated, he can't be on the ballot.
Therefore, Donald Trump is ineligible to be president of the United States, the same as if he were only 34 years old or not a natural-born citizen. That this is a constitutional qualification, and so he can't appear on the ballot.
Experts believe the High Court will ultimately not grant states the ability to decide who gets to be on their ballots.
They could just say, look, it's up to Congress and not up to us, the Supreme Court, but that itself will be a decision, meaning Colorado can't remove him from the ballot if it's up to Congress.
Oral arguments today could last up to 3 hours. The justices are expected to issue a decision before Colorado's primary on March 5th. Ika Jachi, ABC News, Washington.